Hello YouTube and welcome to another AI tutorial. So today we're gonna take a look at the Unsloth AI company, or how two Australian brothers, Daniel Han, software data algorithms, and Michael Han, design product engineer, built the world's fastest open source AI fine-tuning platform. So are you ready? Let's get started. The Han brothers, a perfect partnership of deep algorithms and thoughtful design. Daniel Han, CEO and co-founder, the engineering mastermind behind Unsloth Speed. Previously at NVIDIA and FiscalNote, Daniel spent years optimizing algorithms and fixing bugs in popular LLMs like Gemma, Llama, and Mistral. He also created HyperLearn, an earlier open-source machine learning library. Michael Han, CTO and co-founder, the product and design force shaping Unsloth's developer experience. Michael transformed Unsloth's documentation into their primary web presence, now driving 500K plus visits per month. His work bridges technical depth with accessible, beautiful interfaces. From Sydney to Silicon Valley, the journey of two brothers with a shared vision to democratize AI. Pre-2023, building expertise, Daniel works at NVIDIA and FiscalNote, gaining deep experience in GPU-accelerated computing and AI infrastructure. Michael develops his craft in product design and engineering. Together, they create HyperLearn, an open-source machine learning library. December 2023, Unsloth is born. Founded in Sydney, Australia, Unsloth emerges from Daniel's open-source contributions, optimizing large language model training algorithms. The idea: make fine-tuning so fast and memory efficient that anyone can customize AI on consumer hardware. Summer 2024, Y 2024-2025. Accepted into Y Combinator's Summer 2024 batch, joining the prestigious accelerator that launched Canva, Stripe, Reddit, and Dropbox. The brothers relocate to San Francisco to scale globally. 2024-2025, rapid growth, backed by Microsoft's M12 fund and the GitHub Accelerator. Combinators attracts major clients including Canva and NASA. The team grows to 8 employees while maintaining fierce open-source commitment. 2026, global standard. With 200 million downloads, 65K GitHub stars, and 10 million monthly model downloads, Unsloth has become the default choice for developers who need fast, efficient large language model fine-tuning. What Unsloth does is making AI fine-tuning accessible, fast, and affordable. 2 to 5 times faster training, optimized kernels, and memory management make fine-tuning dramatically faster than standard implementations without changing your code. 70 to 90% less memory, advanced quantization, and gradient checkpointing let you train massive models on consumer GPUs with as little as 4 GB VRAM. Drop-in compatibility works with Hugging Face, PyTorch, and all major large language models, Gemma, Llama, Mistral, QN, DeepSeek, and more. One line of code. Fully open source, all code is public, auditable, and community-driven. No black boxes, no vendor lock-in. The way AI tooling should be. Performance comparison. training speed, dramatically faster fine-tuning with optimized kernels. Memory usage, train massive models on consumer GPUs. Compute cost, slash your cloud compute bills significantly. Global impact, or numbers that tell the story of open source success. Over 200 million total downloads, more than 65,000 GitHub stars, more than 10 million models served per month, and over 500,000 visits per month. The brothers say, "We started as a team of two brothers, making open source AI more accessible." The Unsloth philosophy, or why open source matters in the age of AI. The Unsloth AI pipeline consists of inputs and outputs. The input is usually raw large language model plus training data plus GPU resources. The final output would consist of fine-tuned model plus memory savings plus cost reduction. All that leads GitHub AI to achieve the following. Democratize AI, powerful AI tools should not be locked behind paywalls or require enterprise budgets. Unsloth lowers the barrier so startups, researchers, and indie developers can compete. Community first, with a vibrant Discord, Reddit, and GitHub community, Unsloth grows through contributions, transparency, and developer trust, not marketing spend. Speed as a feature. Every optimization is measured in real-world developer time saved. If it doesn't make fine-tuning noticeably faster, it doesn't ship. That's the story of the Unsloth AI company. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment or a like. As always, I hope that it has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.